In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink a Honkai Star Rail account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and most secure way to unlink a Star Rail account is through the Hoyoverse website. So go to their Honkai Star Rail homepage that you can find at hsr.hoyoverse.com through a web browser, and when you arrive at this page, all that you have to do is sign into your account. Once you are properly signed in, you should see your name over here at the top right corner of the screen, and when you hover over it, what you have to do is click the Hoyoverse account. This will redirect you to another page, the account management page for your Hoyoverse account, and you might have to sign in again. Once you are done and you have access to all of the menus over here, go into the account security settings, and immediately you should be able to find all the links that you have, including your mobile phone number, your email, and any other accounts, for example, Facebook, Twitter, Google, etc. In this page, you will be able to access all of the links, and you will have the option to unlink some of them. I say some of them because depending on the type of link that you have, it is going to be permanent. And while you can modify some links, for example your email on your own, you can click this option and this will allow you to unlink a Honkai Star Rail account by verifying it. Some other links will have to be done through their customer support. So if you encounter any link that isn't able to be unlinked through this page alone, click Contact Us and you will find their customer support email over here. As long as you send them an email to this address, you will be able to include on the subject that you want to have a certain account unlinked and include all of the details. Keep in mind that they are going to ask for proof of ownership, so you will have to prove that the account is yours, but as long as you are able to, even though it is a lengthy process, they will be able to help you unlink any account on your Honkai Star Rail account. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlink a Honkai Star Rail account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.